Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge your MSI Cyborg 15. In order to charge it, it is actually charged with a proprietary cable, so you'll need to get a proprietary charger from MSI, or if you get a replacement cable from a reputable brand, make sure it's reputable. Then it's also fine. I'm gonna show you how the cable looks. So it looks like that, and you can simply plug it in on the right side into a port that it fits to. Then also the charger, the dedicated charger for this laptop is 120 watts, so that's what I'd recommend sticking around, so you actually can charge your laptop at a good speed, because if the charger is much lower speed, then there may be a chance that for example, instead of charging, you'll just be discharging at a slower rate, so that's not too good. And I think that that's basically it. I hope that this video is helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.